Today, we're adding cinematic black bars in DaVinci Resolve. This is perfect for achieving that Hollywood widescreen look. Let's jump in. First, drag your video onto the timeline and make sure it's placed correctly. Now, go to the menu bar at the top, click on Timeline and select Output Blanking. From the list of aspect ratios, choose 2.35. Right away, you'll see black bars appear at the top and bottom of your video, giving it that classic widescreen look. To fine-tune the framing, open the Inspector panel, find the Position properties, and adjust the y-axis to move your clip within the black bars. This helps center the subject exactly where you want. You can experiment with different settings available in the Output Blanking option to use these cinematic bars that matches your project. And that's it. You now have a cinematic widescreen effect in just a few clicks. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials.